Welcome to KES Separation. Today, we'd like to take you through the complete commissioning journey of our thermal desorption unit. This video documents the entire process, from equipment arrival and installation to pressure testing, system commissioning, and finally, the successful recovery of high-quality light oil during trial operation. This project demonstrates not only performance of our equipment, but also the dedication of our engineering team and our commitment to delivering reliable, turnkey solutions for our customers. After the equipment arrival at the customer sites, engineers from KES Separation worked closely with the customer's technical team to begin the installation. Thanks to the modular skid-mounted design, most of the mechanical and electrical integration had already been completed before shipment, significantly reducing the amount of on-site work. Both teams positioned each module, connected the piping and electrical systems, installed the instrumentation, and carefully checked every connection through close cooperation and detailed planning. The installation progressed efficiently and laid a solid foundation for the commissioning work ahead. As nightfall, the work continued. With a shared commitment to keeping the project on schedule, KES engineers and the customer's team remained on site, working late into evening. Every hour brought the project one step closer to successful operation. Long days and late nights are often part of commissioning, where patience, teamwork, and attention to detail make all the difference. Once the installation was completed, the project entered one of the most important phases, pressure testing. The system was gradually pressurized according to the commissioning procedure, allowing us to verify that every section could operate safely under the designed working conditions. Throughout the testing process, all critical parameters were closely monitored to ensure stable pressure and reliable sealing performance. After a comprehensive inspection, the pressure tests were successfully completed, confirming that the system was fully prepared for commissioning. The moment has finally arrived. The TDU was ready to receive its first feed of oily sludge. The oily sludge was gradually loaded into the system for the first trial run. Together with the customer's operators and the KES team, addressed the feeding process and checked the equipment performance under actual working conditions. During the trial operation, our team worked together with client, continued optimizing system parameters, do some modifications on site, and ensure everything can go in correct way. Heating profiles, feeding speed, residence time, and process control setting were fine-tuned to achieve the best possible performance. These adjustments help maximize oil recovery while maintaining stable system operation and improving overall energy efficiency. Commissioning is more than simply starting the equipment. It is a process of continuously optimizing every aspect of the system to ensure long-term, reliable operation for the customer. Next came the thermal commissioning stage. The thermal oil heating system was started gradually. Temperature increases were carefully monitored to avoid excessive thermal stress on the furnace. As the reactor temperature slowly approached the operating range, the engineers and operators continuously monitored the thermal oil circulation, burner performance, temperature distribution, and system stability. As the material moved through the reactor, it was gradually heated until the hydrocarbons were released as vapor, beginning their journey through the recovery process. The generated oil vapor then passes through the cooling and condensation system, where it is converted back into liquid hydrocarbons. Non-condensable gases are safely treated through the gas handling system, while the remaining solid residue is discharged after thermal treated. One of the most exciting moments during the commissioning was the successful recovery of high-quality light oil. As the condensed oil flowed into the collection tank, it clearly demonstrated the effectiveness of the thermal desorption process. The recovered light oil showed excellent quality, meeting the customer's expectations during the trial run. Our TDU provides an efficient solution for treating oily sludge, drilling cuttings, refinery waste, plastics, and rubber products. Thank you for watching this commissioning journey of KES Separation. From installation to pressure testing, from system commissioning to the successful recovery of high-quality light oil. Every step reflects our commitment to engineering excellence and customer success. If you are looking for reliable thermal desorption solutions or would like to learn more about our TDU technology, please feel free to contact KES Separation. We look forward to supporting your next project. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next project update.